Yeah, welcome back students. In the lecture number 8, we are going to continue with 12.2. Okay, so in the last video we have done up to question number 4. Today we are going to do question number 5. So in question number 5 it says, in a circle of radius 21, so there is one circle, the radius of the circle is how much? 21. So an arc subtend an angle 60 degree. This is an arc which is subtending an angle how much? 60 degree here. At the center angle is how much? 60 degree. Okay, find the length of the arc. First thing they are asking us to find the length of the arc. Second thing they are asking us to find is area of the sector formed by the arc. Means area of this sector which is formed by the arc. These areas they are telling us to find it. Next they are telling area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. Area of this segment they are asking us to find formed by this chord, these portions. Okay, so how to find it out? We are going to do it one by one. Okay, fine. So here we have written r equal to 21, theta equal to 60 degree. In the first video already I have told you the formula for length of an arc. Length of an arc formula is theta by 360 into 2 pi r, that is circumference. So theta is how much given here? 60 in divided by 360 into 2 into pi value is how much? 22 by 7, and r value we have 21. So 7 3s are 21, 6 is a 36, 3 2 3s are 6, 3 3 cancel. So what is left? 22. So we got the length of the arc. Length of the arc means from A to B, this curve ka length. This curve ka length how much we got? 22 centimeter. Now area of the sector formed by the arc. Area of the sector formed by the arc means the area of this particular point which is formed by this arc, whole thing. So we have written here what? Theta by 360 into pi r square. This is the formula for area of a sector. So 60 by 360 into pi value is 22 by 7 into 21, 21. So 0 0 cancel, 6 6 are 36, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are, we have cancelled it, and then 3 7s are, we have cancelled it. So after that we will multiply 11 into 3 into 7, that is, it is like this. Okay, 7 into 11, 77 into 3. Okay, if you are multiplying you will be getting 231 centimeter square. This is the area of the sector, whole thing, this triangle ka whole thing. Now area of the segment. Area of the segment is this portions. Okay, so area of the segment is this portions they are asking us to find. So we have the whole portion A, O, B, whole portions ka area we have 231. From this whole area, if we minus the area of a triangle, we will get what? This sector or not? So area of the segment equal to area of the sector, means whole thing, minus area of equilateral triangle. This is what? AOB is an equilateral triangle. All the sides are equal and angle is 60 degrees. So it will be considered as equilateral triangle. So this one no need to find, already we have found out. So we have written 231 centimeter square minus area of equilateral triangle formula is what? Root over 3 by 4 side square. So side is how much? 21. So 21 into 21. So root 3 value is 1.73 into 21 into 21 divided by 4. So when you divide it, you will get what? 190.73 centimeter square. Now you subtract it. If you subtract, you will get what? 40.26 centimeter square. So this is the area of the segment which we are searching it. Hope you have understood it. This is not difficult at all. Okay. And for some of you have requested me to write bigger. Okay, I can write it, but my dear student, you can see that the board size is very small, so please adjust with it. Okay, thank you. Let's go to the next question. Okay, so we are done with the question number 6. Question number 6, it says a chord of circle of radius 15 centimeters subtend an angle. This is a chord of a circle which is subtending an angle 60 degree. The radius of the circle is how much? 15 centimeter. It is given. Okay, same like previous one only. Okay, find the area of the corresponding minor and major segment of the circle. Use the value of pi 3.1. It is given in the question 3.14. So we have written radius equal to this, theta equal to this. So simple, we have written what? Area of the minor segment. So area of minor segment formula is what? Area of the minor sector. This is minor sector, okay? From here, here, and this whole thing. This whole thing is called as what? Minor sector. So area of the minor sector minus area of a triangle, this one. Then this one, this segment will come out. Area of the minor segment will be coming out. This is the minor segment, okay? So same like previous one, area of the equilateral triangle is AOB. So we have written area of equilateral triangle AOB. So what is the formula for area of minor sector? Formula is theta by 360 into pi r square minus root 3 by 4 side square. This is the formula for the equilateral triangle, okay? Now theta is how much? 60 by 360 into 3.14. Why we are using 3.14? Because it is mentioned in the questions. Into 15 into 15 r square. Radius is our 15. So 0 0 cancel, 6 is 36. Then 2 times, if you cancel it, 1.57. Here it will be like this, and this one can be cancelled by 3 5 is 15, 3 2 is 6. Okay, so if you multiply all this, you will get 117.75 minus 96.75. So if you subtract it, you will be getting 21.00 centimeter square. That means area of minor segment. This area, this the one which I have shaded in, that area is how much? 21 centimeter square. Now area of the major segment. Area of the major segment will be what? Whole major segment is this portions, the left out portion, so you call it as area of the major segment. So how to find it out? Area of the major segment. Area of the major segment is what? Area of a circle minus area of minor segment. Minor segment, if you minus it, whatever is left, that is major segment. So area of a circle minus area of minor segment. Area of a circle formula is what? Pi r square. Minor segment, how much we got? 21. So we have written it. So pi value is 3.14, r square 15 into 15 minus 21. If you multiply it, you will get 706.5 minus 21. So when you subtract it, you will get 685.5 centimeter square. Okay, sometimes the answers may be little 0.1% may be different, because I have considered the decimal only up to 2 points. So little bit variation may be there. Don't worry, it's correct. So 685.5 centimeter square. This is what we got area of major segment. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now you can take it down and we will move to the next questions. Okay, we are back with the question number 7. So in question number 7, what is the questions? Let us see. Question number 7 says a chord of circle of radius 12 centimeter. This is a circle of radius 12 centimeter. Sustain an angle 120 degree. So this angle AOB, this angle is how much? 120. It does not look like 120, but it should be 120. Okay. So find the area of the corresponding segment. So the corresponding segment is, they are asking us to find out the area of major segment and area of minor segment. So here it will be little lengthy. This question is little lengthy because a few things they have not given. We have to find out the sides and all. So let's proceed with this. Okay, so here r is equal to 12 and the theta is equal to 120 degree. So what we have done here, little bit constructions we have to do. That is constructions I have written. Construction, what we have to do, we have to, as you can see, dotted line, we have to draw OL parallel perpendicular to AB. This OL is there, we have drawn perpendicular to AB, and OL bisects angle. This OL is there, this OL will be bisecting this angle, that is 120 degree, will be divided into what? 60 60. Okay, here 60 and 60, and the side AB is also bisected. That means what? AB is bisected into two equal parts. AL will be equal to LB. Okay, I hope you are understanding. So here it is written as, since AL is equal to BL, AL is equal to BL, that means what? AL and BL is equal to half of AB, half of AB. This AL and BL both are equal. Why? Because this line OL is a perpendicular bisector. Bisector means it is dividing into two equal parts. The sides and the angles are divided into two equal parts. So that's why AL and BL both are equal. So it will be equal to what? AB will be equal to half of, sorry, AL will be equal to what? Half of AB. So we have written half of AB. I hope you have got it. Now in triangle OAL, this triangle we are considering. So in this triangle there is three angles are there, this angle, and this angle. So we have written AOL plus ALO plus OAL, LAO. So this angle, and this angle, if you add it, you know the theorem, sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we have written one angle, two angle, three angle is equal to 180 degree. So what is the value of AOL? AOL, as I told you, 60 degree. OLA, that is 90 degree because it is perpendicular, and this angle we are going to find it out, LAO. So we have added it up. How much it comes? It comes to 150. 180 minus 150, it is how much? 30 degree. Similarly, using same pattern, we will be finding out angle B also. So I have written here, similarly angle LBO is equal to 30 degree. No need to find out, we will just write similarly this angle also will be 30 degree. Now we have to find out the value of this AL, BL, all this value you have to find it out, then only we can solve it, okay? Because we don't know the length of the chord here. So for that, what we are doing, we have drawn this triangle separately. AOB, we have drawn it separately here for the clarity. So we have written here AB equal to this AB, it will be what? Twice of AL. So we have written AB is equal to twice of AL, which will be equal to, now what we are doing, this AL we are dividing and multiplying by OA. This AL we are dividing and multiplying by what? OA, in order to set into the formula. So 2 AL dividing by OA and multiplying by OA. OA cancel, it will be again AL only. So that one is not at all a problem, okay? So we have written it. Now AL, where is AL? This is AL, and OA, this is OA. So if you know, as we have already done chapter 8, there we have learned that is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse is equal to what? Sin theta or not? So this is what? AL is perpendicular and AO is what? Hypotenuse. So it comes to sin theta, and sin how much? 60 degree. So 2 AL by OA, in place of that we will write what? Sin 60 degree into OA. OA value is how much? 12. So we have written 12. Sin 60 degree value is how much? Root 3 by 2. 2 cancel. So what is the value we are getting? 12 root 3. That means we got the value of AB 12 root 3. Okay. Now we are going to find out the value of OL. So similarly here also OL we are going to find. So this OL will be multiplying and dividing by AO. The one which I have done here, I have written it here, multiplying and dividing by OA. So here we have multiplied and divided. So this OA value is how much? 12, and OL by OA. OL by OA. So it is what? This is nothing but base by hypotenuse. So base by hypotenuse is what? Cos curly brown here, cos, so base by hypotenuse. So we have written here cos 60 degree. So cos 60 value is how much? Half. So 6, 12, 2 3 2 6 12. So we have written here 6 centimeter. That means this value and this value, now we have got it. Now we are going to find out the area of the major and minor segment. You can first take it down this part, then we'll continue with the remaining part. Okay, so second half of the question is, they have asked find the area of the segments. So here area of the segment is equal to what? Area of a sector minus area of a sector, means area of a sector formula we already have, and minus area of a triangle. So this area of a triangle is what? AOB. This is not an equilateral triangle, that's why we have found out all the sides. So general area of a triangle is what? Formula is what? Half into base into height. So theta here is how much? 120 degrees. So we have written here 120 degree by 360 into 3.14. Because it is mentioned in the questions to use the pi value 3.14 into 12 into 12. This is the radius minus half into base. Base AB. How much we got the value of AB? 12 into root 3. into height. Height is what? This is OL is height. So what is the height? We got it 6. So we have written here 6. So 2 3s are 6. 0 0 cancel. 12 3s are 36, and 3 4s are 12. So this one all we have multiplied it. After multiplying, you will get 150.72, and this one when you multiply root 3 value, you have to put 7.1.73, and this one 12 into 3, it becomes 36. So when you multiply, you get 62.28. So 62.28 centimeter square. When you subtract it, you will be getting 88.44 centimeter square. So this is your end of the question number 7. I hope you have understood. Please don't hesitate to ask your doubts, okay? And don't forget to like and subscribe, share my videos. Thank you.